So what did you find surprising in this video? Can you identify where your team is at now in Tuckman's curve? What actions will you take to progress your team to the performing stage? The fact is, group dynamics can be complex. So many external and internal factors can move your team around this curve. For example, if you have 50% or more of your team replaced, this can move down the team back to even storming on the curve. External factors such as new leadership within your organization can also bring your team to earlier stages. For example, if leadership changes the company vision, this can modify the type of work and roles within your team and bring up new conflict. I've had the opportunity to work in consulting that really forces teams to repeat the Tuckman's curve over and over again. The trends I mentioned were from observations from a software team, but they can really be applied to any type of team. Sports, business, HR, it still applies. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel below to keep the series going, and we'll see you next time, hopefully on the better side of Tuckman.